Hare Krishna, Sada Pranam, Radhe Radhe. Today I'm going to discuss about a very beautiful topic in psychology, and the name of this very beautiful topic in psychology is Gardner's theory of multiple intelligence. It was given by Howard Gardner. Howard Gardner said that intelligence is not a single entity, but it is a collection of various types, and he gave 8 different types of intelligence. And he said that we all differ in these 8 different types of intelligence. So now I'm going to discuss them one by one. So first he discussed about naturalistic intelligence. Those with naturalistic intelligence, they're called nature smart. Now these people with naturalistic intelligence, they can understand nature, they can understand living things, and the career options which suit them, they can become good botanists, good astronomers, good geologists, and good biologists. Then next is spatial intelligence, and those with spatial intelligence, they visualize the world in a 3D image form. So the career options which suit these people in spatial intelligence is like they can become good architects, they can become good navigators, they can become good pilots. And then another is musical intelligence. Musical intelligence, those people in good in musical intelligence, those possessing musical intelligence, they can discriminate between the sound on the basis of the pitch, tone, timbre, etc. And the career options which suit them is they can become good musician, composers, and RJs. Then is linguistic intelligence. Those with linguistic intelligence, they called word smart, and the career options which suit them, which is good for them, that is they can become good poets, they can become good novelists, they can become good orators, they can become good lawyers. Then is intrapersonal intelligence. Those with intrapersonal intelligence, they call self-smart, because they understand themselves, that what they want in their life. They can understand their feelings. And such people, the career options which suit them is they can become good psychologists, they can become good counselors. Then is interpersonal intelligence. Now, those with interpersonal intelligence, they call people smart, because they understand the people and their hidden motives and their feelings, and the career options which suit them. They can become good good social workers, they can become good psychologists, counselors, and coaches. They love to help people, so they're more in a helping profession. Then is logical mathematical intelligence. Now those with good logical mathematical intelligence, what happens is they are more intelligent in, they love just quantifying things and making hypotheses and then landing up to prove them. So career options which suit them, they can become good mathematicians, they can become good physicists, and then good researchers. And then bodily kinesthetic intelligence. Those with bodily kinesthetic intelligence, they call body smart. They understand that there is a coordination in the between the body and the mind, and the career options which suit them is they can become good actors, good dramatists, good dancers. So this was Howard Gardner's theory of multiple intelligence. That's all for today. Meet you in the next session with a new topic. Bye.